My wife just said she had to pull out. But anyway, we're going to start this video off by saying this is an unboxing, something we normally don't do. But this is actually something I'm really excited for because when I bought the new tow rig, the F-150, it's got a 5.5 foot bed. Kind of about the same space as the Suburban had as far as how we used to arrange things. But, you know, I kind of had a K5 Blazer at one point, and we had one of these soft top kits on it, and I absolutely loved it. And I will say this, I'm not brand ambassadoring or anything. I am literally just sharing this because there is no other soft top company out there that has the right look, the right functions, or making it look cool. So, and they last. So this is the soft top part of it. And we got the clear. This is the rear. We should have the clear sides. Apparently we did not get the clear sides, but that's fine. But like, this is essentially like a soft bed cap. And what's cool about it is, if you have to like haul a fridge, guess what? You don't have to take your fiberglass bed cap off. You can just roll this back. Or if you want to be cool and like roll safari style, you just roll the sides up and the back up. And this is like what I am excited about. Oh no, we do have the clear side. I have it backwards. So there's two clear. There should be. Damn it! I don't even know what I'm looking at right now. Yeah. So this is the back. Oh, the front and the back are clear. The sides are black. I thought I had ordered the clear sides, but I'm not going to worry about it, to be honest with you, because the one that I actually originally was going to order was going to have the black sides, but that's fine. I'm not going to complain about it, because honestly, I'd rather have less of this clear material on the truck as possible, because let's face it, clear vinyl dries up. This canvas material is insane, tough. It's got good bulk to it. Super easy to install. I did one of these before on Blazer. I'll share a picture of that. Then I'll share a picture of what it's supposed to look like. But I'm super excited about this because this is what we're going to be rolling in for the summer. And then in the winter, I'm going to remove it and put a tonneau cover back on it because the truck does need a new roll-up type tonneau cover on it. So how do you guys pronounce that? I work with somebody who pronounces it tonneau cover, and I'm like, what foreign country are we from? So, the whole idea behind this is like, one, we get to protect everything that is in the back of the truck, and we get to sleep in it, and if it's a really hot night, we can roll up the sides. I got like Edison bulb lights to put inside. We got our generator. We're kind of getting geared up for our first race, which is not this weekend, but the following weekend. The weather's supposed to be nice. It's going to be kind of cool. So we're going to have to cozy up. But, yeah, like there's not a lot of parts to it. You got some support rods. All this stuff folds. I'm sure I'm not the first person who's done this, but I'm going to follow it up with the install. Again, I'm happy about this. This has nothing to do with race cars, but it's got everything to do with how we run our race operation, if you will. My buddy's got enclosed trailers. I have an open car trailer. I'm also going to share videos of some of the work that I've done with the trailer so far. The last things that are left to do is the wiring, check the brakes, and check the bearings, and we'll be good to go. So after this weekend, we should be good. And our list is very small to get stuff done. This won't take very long. Maybe I'll pull it into the garage and let the camera roll. Let me know what you guys think, because I fell in love with these after having it on a Blazer, and now I have a truck I can put it on. And to me, there is no comparison. Like this is the perfect thing for our setup and how we do things, where we can still utilize the bed to stack shit up and roll it back. We sleep in the back of the truck, you know, and in the elements, we can cover it up. So it works out good. I'm sure this video is long and boring already, but I'll let you guys go. Share, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Scott Picullis, and we'll see you guys later. Oh, this worked out pretty good. The most important part still works.